Hi, welcome everyone. We are the team Excalibur and we are from Varanasi Institute of Technology pursuing BTech Information Technology second year. Meet our team members. Let's dive into our project. First of all, we should know what is dark pattern. Imagine if a website or app tricks you into doing something you didn't want to do, like buying something. These sneaky tricks are called dark patterns. They go against your right as a consumer and make informed choices. It's like being pushed into doing things you didn't agree to, and that's not fair, right? Very importantly, the Central Consumer Protection Authority says these tactics are wrong because they take away your freedom to decide for yourself. The author of Dark Patterns, Harry Brignall, describes the dark pattern as a user interface carefully crafted to trick users into doing things they might not otherwise do. The top 10 types of important dark patterns that our extension can identify are false urgency. Ever seen a countdown timer screaming only 2 left in stock? That's false urgency, trying to pressure you into a quick buy that might not be necessary. Next one is forced action. Want that new game? You might also have to force buy additional in-game currency, bundling unwanted items with your desired purchase. Next one is discussed ads. Spotting an interesting article only to realize it's actually an ad. Discussed ads hide the true nature, tricking you into clicking. And the next one is subscription trap. Signing up for a free trial seems easy, but then cancelling becomes a maze of hidden buttons and confusing steps. That's a subscription trap. Next one is bait and switch. Lured in by an advertised price but then hit with hidden fees or forced ads on at checkout. That's bait and switch, switching your expectations. Most importantly, we should talk about hidden costs. Imagine buying a shirt online thinking it's a steal only to be surprised by hidden fees like shipping or taxes at checkout. Those are hidden costs, sneaky charges that can mislead you and inflate the final price. Next one is limited user choice. Ever felt like you're seeing the same brand or products everywhere online? That's limited user choice. Some platforms restrict which options you see, potentially limiting competition and making it harder to find what you truly need. And the next one is privacy intrusion. Sharing your information online can be tricky and risky. When platforms intrude on your privacy, they might misuse your data like browsing history or purchase details for purpose behind what you originally agreed to. And the next one is forced account creation. Just want to buy one item but forced to create an account. That's forced account creation. This unnecessary step can slow down your shopping experience and potentially collect your data without your consent. The next one is data transparency compliance. Your online data deserves protection, right? Data transparency compliance ensures platforms handle your information responsibly. The main feature of our project is hidden cost identifier. This feature is like having a shopping expert look over your shoulder, making sure you get the true final price. You can shop with confidence knowing you won't be blindsided at the last minute. Let's see the output of this feature. If we hit identify hidden costs, the product description, its offers and its prices were clearly highlighted. And we can clearly see the full price, displayed price, price difference, delivery amount, discount difference without moving onto the checkout page, and also our extension clearly displays whether it has hidden costs or not. And the next one is dark pattern analyzer. This feature examines websites for dark patterns designed to manipulate or deceive users, providing insights into their presence. By analyzing website elements and user interactions, it offers valuable information to empower users in making informed decisions. And the next feature is dark pattern highlighter. This feature will tend to show how many dark patterns in that particular web page and highlights them, and if we move our cursor to the highlighted lines, it will show what type of dark pattern it is. And the most unique and the additional feature of our project is price comparison functionality. It saves users time and money by quickly identifying the best deals across multiple platforms. It empowers informed decision making by providing transparent pricing information. The next feature of our product is customer chatbot. It offers 24/7 availability and it will give immediate response to customer inquiries. It can answer frequently asked questions and provide product information. It also can personalize the shopping experience. Our project's model overview is, think of our dark pattern detection system like a super smart detective. It uses a special type of artificial intelligence called a large language model, or LLM for short. We have trained this LLM on a massive amount of text, so it's become an expert at understanding the tricks and sneaky language that websites sometimes use to manipulate users. Specifically, we use a model called BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT is like a language detective. It can analyze the context and meaning behind everything. Data handling of the model is, we train our system using real examples from websites. Experts label these examples as good or containing dark patterns. This helps the system learn to identify these patterns itself. Pre-processing steps include, firstly, tokenization. Text data is tokenized into subwords using the BERT tokenizer. Secondly, padding. Input sequences are padded or truncated to ensure uniform length. And thirdly, data augmentation. Techniques such as data augmentation, example, synonym replacement, random insertion may be employed to increase the diversity of the training data. And the last one is label encoding. Labels indicating the presence of dark patterns are one-hot encoded or mapped to integer values for training. We have improved our data handling model in the following areas such as fine-tuning strategies, data augmentation, and ensemble methods. Let's dive into our project demonstration. The extension has been loaded and added. Our extension is well compatible with Chrome, Brave, Firefox browsers. Pin the extension in your browser. Our extension is so much user-friendly and concerned with the user-centric design. Click the Hidden Cost Identifier button and on the toggle button to highlight and to scrap the product info. Here we can clearly see that the product description, its offers and its total and discount price is clearly highlighted in the Amazon web page. Also, without moving on to the checkout page, the product's full price, displayed price, delivery amount, discount difference is shown here. Thanks to Playwright. Playwright is an open source automation library for browser testing and web scraping. Playwright provides the ability to automate browser tasks in Chromium, Firefox and WebKit with a single API. The purpose why we have displayed in the front itself is so that the user no need to go up to the checkout page for just to see the delivery fee and total price. We directly fetch those information from the checkout page and shown here. We have developed a web application called Dark Pattern Identifier where we will provide along with the extension. The storage of the web application is 100 MB, so the user don't need to worry about the storage. The web application works by turning on the toggle button. The product's URL is get fetched from the checkout page, surprisingly without moving on to the checkout page and also without clicking more options like buy now and payment method. If there is any hidden cost, the extension icon will be highlighted as red. Let me explain the hidden cost where we use some calculations. The full price of the product is displayed as $2,999. The discounted offer is 42%, which is 0.42. 2,999 multiples of 0.42 is 1,259.58. If we subtract 2,999 minus 1,259.58, will give 1,739.42. But they have displayed as 1,749 rupees, which we have found that there is 9 rupees 58 paise is acting as hidden cost, right? The compare prices functionality gives better user experience. We shall click any product randomly like Asus ZenBook give compare prices. It will show the price comparison between Amazon and Flipkart. Here we can transparently see that the price difference is higher in Flipkart, and also it shows how much the difference is about 10,000 rupees higher in Flipkart comparing to Amazon. Next, if we give detect dark patterns, give the URL and then submit, it will lead you to a dark pattern detection page. There paste the same URL and hit analyze. A new page will open and it will lead you to the results, and it shows how many dark patterns and what type of dark pattern it is. Thanks to datasets to train the model to identify the dark pattern. And the next one is highlight deceptive tactics button. It will show how many dark patterns in that particular web page and highlights them, and if we move our cursor to the highlighted lines, it will show what type of dark pattern it is. As I have said earlier, we have included the chat box, which is available for 24/7 and helps the user. It is one of the unique features of our project. It provides users with a more interactive and user-friendly experience. This integration will allow users to efficiently access further queries. We have also included our homepage and contact page where you can contact us, and it will gather more information about our project. The project uses a variety of technology to achieve its goals. This includes Playwright, a Python library for browser automation, which is used to gather data from websites, a BRET model, a machine learning model that is trained to identify hidden costs and dark patterns. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are used to develop the user interface of the Chrome extension. Our product ensures to automatically detect and alert users about any undisclosed fees. Our product ensures transparency. The project has the potential to benefit consumers in a number of ways. By helping people to identify hidden costs and dark patterns, it can help them to save money, avoid being tricked into buying something they don't need, make more informed decisions about online purchases, and more importantly, the project is also beneficial for businesses by helping them to identify and remove hidden costs and dark patterns from their websites. At last, the team would like to quote that our project will shine a light on hidden costs and pave the way for transparent social welfare. The journey doesn't end here. We are continually looking for ways to improve and grow. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and be sure to check out the full project on GitHub. Thank you.